Honey, wake up. It's already 7:30. Time to get up.
Honey, just 5 more minutes, please.
Come on, honey. Get up now, or you'll be late for work. What a beautiful morning. It's going to be a wonderful day. Good morning, honey. Go freshen up. I'll get breakfast ready.
Okay, I'll go get ready.
Leo Nova, wake up! It's morning! Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mom. I had a really wonderful dream.
That sounds wonderful. I'd love to hear all about it.
I can't wait to tell you, Mom.
That sounds exciting, but first you need to get ready. Otherwise, you'll be late for school.
Okay, Mom. I'll get ready right away.
Good morning, sweetheart. It's time to wake up.
Mom, can I sleep a little longer, please?
No, sweetheart. You'll be late for school.
Mom, I'm up! I'm out of bed!
Okay, guys. What are you going to do now?
We're going to brush our teeth. Then we're going to have breakfast.
Hey, everyone! That's enough chatting. We still have a lot to do. Come on, let's all go freshen up.
Okay, we're coming!
Let's go! Dad, look! You still have toothpaste on your nose.
Oh, really? Thanks for telling me.
Nova, how much longer? I need to get ready too. I'm almost done. Just give me 1 more minute. Leo, I'm done. You can come in now. I brush my teeth every morning, and then I get ready for school. I like to keep my teeth nice and clean every day. Mom, I'm done. I finish everything.
Leo, you didn't wash your face, did you?
Mom, I did wash my face.
Leo, you're telling a little fib. Your face is still dry.
Sorry, Mom. Mom, I washed my face this time. Is it okay now?
That's much better. Great job, Leo.
1, 2... Leo, what are you doing? I'm getting stronger every day. Leo, are you fighting the floor? No, I'm teaching the floor who's stronger. I think the floor is winning. Mom, look at my muscles. They're getting bigger.
Wow, at this rate, you'll be stronger than the refrigerator.
Great job, Leo. Keep it up.
That's my strong boy. I'm so proud of you. Everyone, breakfast is ready. Come and eat.
It smells amazing. My mom is the best cook ever. Everything she makes is always so delicious. I can't wait to eat.
Leo, could you please call Dad and Nova? Lunch is ready.
Of course, Mom. I'll bring them right away.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Dad, Nova, Mom says breakfast is ready. She's waiting for us at the dining table.
Wonderful. Let's go have breakfast.
Yay, I'm coming. Let's go together. Dad, could you please get me a glass of orange juice? I'm really thirsty.
Just a moment, Nova. I'll have your fresh orange juice ready in a second.
That's so refreshing. Thank you, Dad. I really love orange juice. I'm really hungry. This breakfast looks so good. I think I'm going to eat a lot today. Leo, slow down. Take your time and enjoy your breakfast.
Nova is right, sweetheart. Eat slowly, and you'll enjoy it even more.
Okay, Mom. Thanks.
Finish your breakfast, kids. It's almost time to get ready for school. I'll pack your lunch while you eat.
Mom, could you please help me? I can't decide which outfit to wear.
Of course, sweetheart. I'll help you choose the perfect outfit.
Mom, I want to wear this outfit today.
It's a nice outfit, sweetheart, but today is a school day. Let's wear your school uniform instead.
Where are my school shoes? I know I left them around here somewhere.
Here they are, Leo. I found your school shoes.
Thanks, Mom. I was looking everywhere for them.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Now let's get ready for school.
Okay, Mom. These are my school pants. They look so nice. I really like wearing them. There it is! My school shirt looks so clean and neat. Time to wear it. Hey, buddy. Did you sleep well? I'll be back after school, and then we'll play together, okay?
Leo, I think our little friend is still waiting for breakfast. Could you please feed the cat before we leave?
Dad, I fed the cat yesterday. It's Nova's turn to feed her today. Leo, I fed the cat yesterday, and you fed her the day before. So today, it's your turn to feed her. Really? I thought it was your turn today. Nope, we agreed to take turns. Today it's your turn. Hey, Tommy, where's your breakfast? Are you still waiting for your food?
Leo, here's Tommy's milk. Please pour some into his bowl for him.
Thank you, Mom!
Here you go, Tommy. Enjoy your breakfast. Leo, have you seen your dad?
I think he's in the garden.
Nova, please go bring your dad. He's going to be late for work.
Okay, Mom. Dad, Mom is calling you. You'll be late for work.
Okay. I just have a little more work to do.
Dad, you say just a little more every morning.
You're right. I'm coming now.
Dad, the flowers look really beautiful today.
They do. They grow better when we take good care of them.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm packing your lunch for school. Leo, what would you like in your sandwich today?
I'd like cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and chicken, please.
First the cheese, then the lettuce, tomatoes, and finally, the chicken. There you go, Leo. Your lunch is all packed.
Thank you, Mom. It looks delicious.
Leo, don't forget your orange. It's good for you. Nova, what would you like for your lunch today?
I'd like a sandwich, please.
A slice of cheese, fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and delicious chicken. Perfect!
I packed your sandwich and a banana. Bananas give you energy and help keep your body strong. Enjoy your lunch, Nova. Leo, Nova, your lunch boxes are ready. Have you packed your school bags yet?
I'm packing all my books. I don't want to forget anything today. My pencils are packed. Now I'm ready for school. Mom, I'm ready.
Great job, Nova. You look ready for school. Leo, how about you? Are you ready too?
Mom, I can't find my school bag. I've looked everywhere.
Leo, your school bag is under the table. You left it there yesterday.
I found it! Thanks, Mom!
Leo, don't be naughty at school. And Nova, you be a good girl too.
Okay, Mom. We will, Mom.
Have fun at school and take care of each other.
Bye, Mom. See you after school. Bye, Mom. Have a great day.
Bye, Leo. Bye, Nova. Have a wonderful day at school. Adam, where are you? You're going to be late for work.
I'm in the kitchen. I'm just helping you with the dishes.
Thank you, Adam. You're always so thoughtful.
I just have a little more work to finish. In the meantime, could you make the grocery list for me?
Of course. I'll have it ready by the time you finish. Milk, eggs, bread, tomatoes, lettuce, chicken, apples, bananas, carrots, rice, yogurt, orange juice. Adam, is there anything else you need from the store?
Coffee, please. I can't start my day without coffee.
Here's the grocery list. Don't forget anything.
Don't worry. I'll get everything on the list.
It's time to leave for work. Did you take everything you need?
Yes, I have everything. I'm all set.
There you go. Now you look perfect.
Thanks. I couldn't ask for a better wife.
Wait, let's check one more time. Did you take your car keys?
Check. I've got my car keys.
What about your wallet?
Check. My wallet's right here.
And your phone?
Check. My phone's right here.
Drive safely, okay?
I will. Thanks for reminding me.
Drive safely. See you this evening.
I will. Bye.